Horns up guys, and hope you are all doing really good. I'm just very quickly making this video to let you know that I have finally finished populating the Headbangers Kitchen website. So head on over to headbangerskitchen.com. I have got over 150 keto recipes for you guys. All the recipes that I have done till date, you can find the written recipes, the macros. You can even find a converter to convert the measurements from grams to cups for all my American friends. So yeah, I'm really excited to I know I've launched the website, but now it's like officially up to date and ready, and I'm really excited about it, and I hope you guys will find all the recipes that you're looking for. We've got vegetarian recipes, we've got vegan recipes, we've got chicken, mutton, beef, pork, anything and everything you want in a keto recipe. We've got desserts, appetizers, main course, yada yada yada. You get the idea. Anyway, enough jibber jabber. Please do go check out headbangerskitchen.com. Leave me a comment, leave me your feedback on the website, and you know what? I will see you tomorrow with a brand new keto recipe right here on this YouTube channel and the website of course as well. Cheers guys, and thanks for all your support.